one of our goals with this podcast is to help folks achieve financial freedom, right? And I think from what you're describing, obviously you're achieving financial freedom for, your not end user, but the home buyers, right, are basically getting that much needed step up, that home equity, right, which is the backbone of wealth in this country. You have a focus on the investor side and helping investors achieve financial freedom through real estate. I mean, I think that was your story in some ways, right? You were able to, dig yourself out of medical debt, et cetera, through real estate. Do you focus on the investor these days? I mean, obviously investors benefit, but just curious where you sit on that.
So I've been asked, what type of investor do we like?
Yeah, it's a
We
good way of
like
putting it.
nice investors, right?
Okay.
When I lost $5 million, it took me 15 years to pay that money back. I want to, I mean, I don't anticipate that ever happening again, but I
Right.
want nice investors, right? We're not the jack up rents and call it good, right? We're not
Hmm.
that company. We're not gonna raise rents and just hope for better cash flow. And that's not us. We are genuinely, we use the word compassionate capital a lot, and both words are important. Can't have really one without the other. The investors we're looking for are nice.
I love it. Love it. Yeah.
This is mission focused. We are like the one true north metric. We look at two.
Okay.
How many homeowners do we create? And as long as our investors are making 1.35 equity multiple, everything else is secondary. They have to be nice. Like this is definitely
Yeah.
very mission oriented.
Yeah, and I think, I mean, I love what you're doing too, John, because it's profits and purpose, right? I think a lot of times, purpose gets sacrificed for profits, or vice versa. Profits get sacrificed for purpose, and both don't really work very well, right? But you've seems like you've achieved that magical utopia of the two going hand in hand, which is amazing. I think there's a lot of investors who want not just to make money or to do better than the stock market, but to also do a lot of good. Nice investors. We'll definitely have those reach out to you.